old 98 300, and I'm going to be replacing the sway bar link on this car. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the wheel and jack and support the vehicle. Okay, with the wheel removed and it's supported, this is the sway bar link right here. So what I'm going to start to do is put a monkey wrench or a plumbing wrench right here on that bottom connection, because there's little grooves that are in there, and the monkey wrench will hold that still. When I turn it on the other end, that nut down there, see if I can point it out, that one right there, that takes a 17 millimeter. So I'm going to start to get that one loose because that's the harder part to do. I was able to get this channel lock on here and hold it, and the nut came right off on this one, so that was good, because the plumbing wrench I used on the other side wasn't fitting in there. But anyway, next I take these two bolts off. There's a nut right here, and this one is a bolt, and those take a 12 millimeter socket to get off. So just remove these two, and then I have to turn the wheel to the right to get the splash shit out, the brake dust shit out the way, and I'll be able to remove the sway bar link. Okay, next I'm going to put on the new sway bar link, which is the exact reversal of the removing procedure. Okay, I'll put this one in first to set everything right. I had to jack this side up some to get it to fit onto the sway bar. I'm going to tighten these two down. And now I can get to the one at the bottom. First I have to straighten the wheel out. Okay, there's the new nut, that silver one down there. It's been installed. It's a new sway bar link installed. So all that's left is to reinstall the wheel, and this job's to be complete. It's the same procedure on the other side. It wasn't too difficult. You didn't have to grease the sway bar links or anything. So that's it for this 1998 Lexus GS300 or compatible vehicles. I think the GS400 does the same thing. Okay, thanks for watching.